Don't install Zorin OS yet. Make a persistent USB first, so you can use it Linux for weeks and save everything and decide later, am I going to show you how in 2 minutes?
You don't need to install Linux to live in Linux. If you want to test Zorin OS for weeks, save files, install apps, keep settings, you need a persistent USB, not a normal live USB that wipes everything on reboot. Here's the 2-minute how-to. 1. What you need: a 32 GB plus USB 3.0 drive. 64 GB is better. The Zorin OS 17 ISO from Zorin.com, and a Windows PC to make the stick. Zorin is Ubuntu-based, so it works great for Windows switchers. 2. Easiest method: Rufus, Windows. Download Rufus 4.4 Plus plug-in USB. Select it. Select Zorin ISO under Persistent Partition Size. Drag to 8 to 20 GB. This is your save space. Keep partition scheme GPT for modern PCs, MBR for old BIOS. Click Start. Rufus creates 2 partitions, Live System plus Persistence. 3. Power User Method, Ventoy. Install Ventoy to USB, then just drop Zorin ISO on it. Boot. Press Ctrl+P in Ventoy menu. Create persistence.file. Choose size. Lets you keep multiple Linux ISOs on one drive. 4. Linux method, mkusb. If you're already on Ubuntu/Zorin, sudo adapt repository ppa, mkusb/ppa and sudo apt install mkusb run mkusb. Pick persistent live. Choose ISO and persistent size. Boot it. Restart. Hit F12/F2/ESC for boot menu. Select USB. Choose Zorin OS with persistence. Everything you install, Chrome, VS Code, Wi-Fi passwords, files stays. Why do this? You get a full portable desktop for weeks. Test drivers, battery life, and apps before committing. If you decide to install permanently, Zorin's installer is right on the desktop. Pro tip: use USB 3.1 and allocate at least 15 GB persistence, or it'll feel slow. And always safely eject. Persistence corrupts easily if you yank the drive.